If your streaming setup feels slow, confusing, or just not worth it, you're not alone. And today, we're making things simple. Very simple. Because we're going step by step on how to set up your Android TV box. No confusion. No tech stress. Just a clear process you can follow. Step 1. Plug in your device. Connect it to your TV using HDMI. Then power it on. Step 2. Connect to your internet. Wi-Fi or wired. Make sure the connection is stable. Because everything depends on this. Step 3. Sign into your account. This gives you access to apps and allows you to download what you need. Step 4. Install your essential apps. Don't overdo it. Keep it clean. Step 5. Organize your home screen. Make it simple. Make it easy to navigate. And that's it. You're ready. Most people think setup is complicated. But it's not. It's just about following the right steps. And when everything is set up properly, streaming becomes easy, fast, and enjoyable. If this helped you, follow at MyForeverGem. And subscribe here. Right finger https://www.youtube.com/@MyForeverGem for more simple, intuitive, and relatable videos. And remember, one day you'll look back and say you were here from the beginning.